Of class 11, are here to conduct inter-class speech and Hindi forum education competition sponsored by this team.
So now I would like to introduce our judges to all of you. Our judges are Shravani ma'am and Ruby ma'am.
Okay, but what is the topic for our speech?
The topic of our speech is education is a base of our nation.
Yes, as we all know, education is important in everyone's life.
Yes, and now I would like to call our first participant of speech on stage. So please welcome. Yes. So the judges are Vijay Miller and Dr. Miller. And the first participant of speech is Priya Karthik. Thank you, Aditya. But now I would like to call Sagar Mishra on stage.
I am Priya Bharti of class 11A, standing here to deliver a speech. And my topic is education is the base of nation. Education is the foundation of a nation's development and prosperity. It helps people to become aware of local and global problems. It helps in fostering creativity and innovation within a society. The function of education is to think better and critically and develop perspective and opinion towards life. People of all classes needed to be educated for the development. It is necessary to make education free because many people are deprived of education due to poverty. Education is an institution which helps to nature of a society because it plays a part to cure all kinds of chronic epidemics that prevails in society and avail it to procedure of development. The developed nations have managed to achieve their nation's goal toward development by investing in education. Different programs like vocational training, professional development programs are organized to help adults in education. Now let us talk about our successful space missions like PSLV and recent one like Chandrayaan 3 and Aditya L1, which were only possible through education and practice. This is Anupriya from class 11B. Today I am here to talk with you on a very important topic for which we all are here, and that is education. Education is the base of a nation. It endorses intelligence in human beings and develops themselves to be industries. Education is the means of achieving a world full of freedom, equality, and peace for all. With the help of education, life will become a bit Without receiving education, man is like a bulb without light. Education is the backbone of any society. It is the foundation on which the prosperity and development of a nation depends. Education is like a backbone for a society, recognized as the key driver for a society.
Millions of children in our country remain deprived from this basic right. So how can we expect our nation to be rise if its foundation is weak? When we educate one child, we transform generation. Education is not an expense. It is a great investment for our future. Once Nelson Mandela said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Now it is time to change. Now it is time to ensure education for all. All together. Thank you for a grateful day.
Thank you, Arpit, for your performance. So now I would like to call Neha.
On the topic, education is the base of our nation. First of all, I want to discuss about the importance of education. Education is very important to develop our skills, abilities to achieve our goals. It also helps the people to discover their passions, gaining confidence and improve their thinking. It also helps the people to realize the true value of contribution and become the backbone of our society. The concept of education was originated from the Vedic period around 5000 BC. The first education system in India was the Gurukul system. Education is the formation of nation because it contributes the social, economic and political development of a country. Education creates a society by reducing poverty, conflict and poor health. Educated people are more productive and innovative. Education helps the people to become independent, self-sufficient and successful. Educated people are successful in life. Thank you and have a nice day. So without wasting time, let us call our participants for Hindi poem recitation.
So the first participant for Hindi poem recitation is Shoaib Bhatt from class 11.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय शिक्षक शिक्षिकागण एवं मेरे सभी मित्रों, मैं सौरभ सिद्धार्थ आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है अग्निपथ और जिसके रचयिता है श्री हरिवंश राय बच्चन। अग्निपथ 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 वृक्ष हो बने खड़े हो घने हो बड़े एक पत्र था अभी मांग मत अग्निपथ 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 तू ना थकेगा कभी तू ना थमेगा कभी कष्टपथ अग्निपथ 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 ये महान दृश्य है चल रहा मनुष्य है अशुष रक्त से लथपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ अग्निपथ। थैंक यू।
अब सबके समक्ष कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है ज्ञान का सागर। हर घड़ी बूंद भर ज्ञान भरोगे जो तुम अपने भीतर, हर घड़ी बूंद भर ज्ञान भरोगे जो तुम अपने भीतर, यह ज्ञान का सागर फिर बन जाएगा। कार्य कुछ ऐसा करो लोग तुमसे याद करें, कार्य कुछ ऐसा करो लोग तुमसे याद करें, तुम्हारे आदर्शों पर चलने का प्रयास करें। स्वयं को जो पहचानोगे तुम फिर कोई न तुमसे रोक पाएगा। यह ज्ञान का सागर
गंगा पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। जिसके शिक्षक है तो हर हाथ दिए लहरों से गंगा पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। जिस प्रकार नन्ही चिट्ठी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार गिर सकती है, मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस बढ़ता है, तट में गिरना गिर कर चढ़ना नहीं अखरता है, आखिरकार उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं जाती। तो
कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। पांडवों को तुम रखो